Let's switch gears. Tammy, how are things going in the DFW real estate market?
Well, it is a time to be a buyer in the DFW market. So if you're a buyer, you are in the lucky segment of the market right now.
So when you say it's a good time to be a buyer, what does that really mean? Like, what is it about the market that makes it lean more toward buyers than sellers?
Well, in our market, we have a lot of inventory right now. So, in a nutshell, that's really what it is we just have a lot of inventory.
You have more sellers than you have buyers.
Yes.
And so maybe, for example, every 2 sellers are competing for 1 buyer. I'm just making a number up.
Right. And it's probably more like every 3 to 4 sellers are competing for 1 buyer.
Really?
So there's a lot of sellers right now in the market. And the interesting aspect our market is the pricing isn't going down. It's a great time to be a buyer. It's a good time to be a seller because the pricing's not going down either.
Are you saying the price is not dropping at all from where it used to be? It's staying pretty firm?
It's going up. We're seeing it year over year from where we're at right now to where we were a year ago, about 3% increase.
Yeah.
So, not a drastic increase, but still a healthy one.
And I think that's about the same way as it is here in Metro Atlanta. It's maybe 3% increase. But it is interesting, in both of our markets over the last 2 years, inventory has continued to increase. And I don't remember what the exact number is, but I think this time last year we probably had 3.5 months worth of inventory, and I think that number is probably 4.5 or 5 months worth of inventory in Metro Atlanta right now. Let's talk about the last 7 days, if you don't mind.
Don't mind.
New listings in Metro Atlanta, 2,628.
Okay, in DFW, 4,359.
Wow, and your market's not 60% bigger than ours.
Correct.
So that's a lot more activity going on. Wow. 1,136 homes went under contract in Atlanta.
2,712.
So your market absorbs more inventory every single week. 2,344 closings.
2,651
Now that's a lot closer than Atlanta normally is to DFW, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
And then homes with a price decrease. This is the one that has caused you so much shame over the last few times we've done this, because you continue to win in this one, and it's not the good one to win in. But listen to this. In Metro Atlanta, in the last 7 days, 3,269 home sellers have decreased their price.
Wow, that's gone up.
And that's such a big deal because that's a seller saying to the market, I'm a little more motivated than I was last week or the week before. What does it look like in Dallas? Do you know?
6,543 price decreases.
6,000 price decreases.
Now, to put it in perspective, we have about 35,000 active listings currently in DFW.
35. And so I would say Atlanta's probably more like 22,000. I don't have that number right in front of me, but let's just call it in the 20s. So you have a lot more active listings.